Okay, so I'm going to have a little play with my babies. One of my babies. The TMS2 Turbosound. Absolute classic bit of kit. I must have had them a good 8 or 9 years now, I guess, maybe even 10 years. Still got the bottom to paint. I've been given the sides a bit of a paint. Absolutely beautiful speakers. People always badger me to sell them, but I'm like, no, you're okay. I still have 4 of them, so 3 of them still work. This one, the kick section doesn't work and the 10-inch doesn't work, so might be blown drivers. I assume it is blown drivers. I got replacement 10-inch as you saw in my other video. So yeah, I'll get it stripped down and we'll see what is up with it, if anything. And yeah, get the drivers replaced. Should be a nice little video. So yeah, I'll get this thing flipped over and we'll get the back off it and we'll get into it, see what's up with it. So here's the back of the speaker. I think it had XLR inputs when it was first made, but it's been upgraded. I think it's an NL8 that's not connected, but I think all that is connected is these, and then I've got wires that like splitter cables in the back of my amp rack. So you just have one NL4 in, one out, link them together. So your attenuator, I think that's called, for the treble, just to bring the volume up and down on the treble. So yeah, I'll get my drills out. There's a few screws to take out. We'll get into the back of it and see what's up. So yeah, I've got the old trusty. I'm going to do this one-handed. I'll try not to ruin it. Yeah. There's obviously more screw holes, but I've only put a few in just while I was painting it. So it's just those 3 actually. Right, so yeah, we can hope this is like the RCF, whereas it mysteriously wasn't working. Actually nothing wrong with it, that would be nice. But yeah, I should imagine it's got some fried drivers. I've given them a bit of stick over the years. It's not generally the amps that blow the drivers, it's the drunk people carrying them out to the van after the parties at 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. 11 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, they sort of bang them up and down the stairs while the drivers are hot, and that just because the glue in the voice coil becomes brittle when it's warm, and yeah, generally the glue gives way on the magnets, so the magnets slip, or yeah, something along those lines. So here she is, a large capacitor there. There's a 50 microfarad, 150 volt DC capacitor there for some reason. Just chilling, not doing anything. I wonder why that is. So, what we got here? We've got bloody bird's nest of wiring, I know that much. So, the NL8 is actually wired in. So yeah, you've got your NL4s, your NL8. That's your crossover for the sorry, I've run an external crossover for the kick bass, and then run the mid and the high separate, and then the mid and high have got their own crossover. So yeah, PX411 there. AT60 Turbosound, 16 ohms. Fitted 9th of the 7th, 93. There you go, that's how old that crossover is, 1993. So we've got some cables that run off down that way. Lovely connection on there. Might be worthwhile redoing that. The edge there for now. And in here we've got the 10-inch with its own separate chamber, or rear chamber. The handle, which is in the way by the looks of that whole handle box just here, looks to be in the way. So I'll whip this. Oh, the T is there. The T there. Don't know why. Yeah, I'll whip this back bit off. I'll have to take that handle box off as well, to be fair. Got your brace there. Holding the separate chamber down. It's just timber, nothing too over the top. It's very thick, looks like that's been re-laminated, or two laminations, or it could just be really thick timber. And then, yeah, handle box needs to come out. One, two. So, there's the handle box. I might paint that blue. And in here, probably find some speaker wadding or some mice. Hopefully not mice. So you got your round box. Oh, the cable goes through that. Oh, jeez. Yeah, you got your wadding in there. Some carpety cardboard on the inside of that wadding, just to pack it out, I guess. That is a cardboard tube. That rear box is made out of. And then there is the beautiful Turbosound driver. That's in lovely condition. I wonder if that's ever been out of here. Hopefully it's just a wiring issue, because that looks beautiful. That. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll just pull this terminal, no, not pull, take the cables out the terminal, and then you can see what's going on in there. 1, 2. This blue is on the negative. Yeah, that little puppy. She's in beautiful condition. The bolts are rusted, or nuts, screws even, are rusted around it, but let's just trim that. Two. So yeah, these are the precision device 1004s. As you see on the back, it says manufactured to Turbosound design specification by Precision Devices. And the other model, there's another model of the Turbosound that had the Fane components in. I believe all of mine are Precision Device, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think they're all I've got two separate sets, so they I think two different pairs from different ages. So yeah, that's the screws out. And then it's facing up towards the top. So out comes the driver. Left the phase plug. Interesting. So yeah, it's the phase button. The driver seems in nice condition. Movement on it. bicycle seems a little bit tight. Or the suspension on it seems a bit tight. It doesn't seem to be rubbing like blown driver. Maybe it rubs a little bit. I don't know. No, well, it might be a wiring issue. But I'll go and get it rigged up on the bench. We can so-called bench, and we can test it out, see if it actually works or not. Okay, another result. This one works. So it must be a wiring issue again.
Only the hardcore they can do it, sir. Get down, massive on the dance floor. Yes, navigate the boss.
Yeah, she works.
Get down, massive on the dance floor. Anytime I come to me, you're hardcore. Get down, massive on the dance floor. Yes, navigate the boss. Get down, massive on the dance floor. Anytime I come to me, you're hardcore. Get down, massive on the dance floor. Yes,
okay, yeah, so that's good news. This one works as well, which is excellent news. So I need to diagnose why this Turbosound isn't actually working. So if I position that in there, beautiful. These screws are a bit rusty, but the machine screws. It's not going to focus, but yeah, they're machine screws, so I'm going to have to roll with them. I'll just stick them back in. It's not going to do any harm. Got little spring washers on them as well, to stop them coming loose, I guess. 3. So that starts off for my dinner being ready. So I'm really impressed with how clean that driver is. That's lovely, that is. Look at it all shiny in there. Little puppy. Right. So, just do them up gently and then nip them up. That one isn't great. It's just going around the technical term would be the screwdriver bit is coming out in the hole, so it's not gripping properly on the thread. So I might have to change that one. There's just one whipping out of there. Maybe I'll just put some WD-40 on it. It's not going to focus, is it? Yeah, come on. So you can see it's cammed out, so mind you, that hole isn't lined up ideally. Better. I'll just put some pressure on it. That should go in. Yeah, a bit of pressure should go in. Right, so yeah, I'll do them up in a minute. I'm going to have my dinner and then we'll get that 15 out, see if that works. Hopefully it does, and then maybe it's just a wiring issue, which would be easy to sort out, I guess. Okay, I've got the speaker back in, so just put the handle on the support brace back in, and yeah, we'll get the bottom open and see what's up down there. Okay, yeah, sorry, I forgot, it's been a while since I looked at these, but I actually took the 15 out of it previously because it was screwed. That's a Fane driver, you can tell by the shape of the chassis compared to the PDs, which are hexagon shape. These got the flat edges, round and flat edges on the outside. Looks like that is a cast frame, cast metal alloy of some sorts. And you can see in here as well, Fane acoustics. So manufactured to Turbosound specification, obviously by Fane, 250 watt, 8 ohms. So yeah, there she be. She is screwed. I'll just flip her over. There's the front, only quite a small voice coil on that actually. You can hear that it's proper screwed. Surrounder's in alright shape. Yeah, so I'm going to have to source a 15-inch for this. But yeah, if you're interested, she sits in the kick bin section here. This wadding. Yeah, she sits in there. So yeah, I'll have to get a hold of a 15-inch driver as a replacement and get this little puppy running again. And I've sanded it down for painting, so a few little rough patches, but yeah. So yeah, I'll source a 15-inch I think, and then we can get that back up and running again. The route to take it apart and knock it on, so this is obviously just a 10-inch and a tweeter.
Only the hardcore them can do it, sir. Get down massive on the dance floor. Yes, navigate the boss in hardcore. Get down massive on the dance floor. Anytime I come to me, you're hardcore. Get down massive on the dance floor. Yes, navigate the boss in hardcore. Get down massive on.
So yeah, that was the Turbosound video. Like I say, I've got 4 of these, so love them to bits. Excellent bit of kit. So I'll get this 15. Try and source one of them, and then maybe stack all 4 next to each other. I've got a couple of 18-inch drivers still kicking about, so I might put them in some boxes maybe, get a bit of bass underneath them. Get them all singing again, back to the glory days.